spotting scope photography and me has been around for a while. The resolution on the new phones now is so great. As you are able to get good results, and it becomes a lot more fun. The quality of the images you get are going to be limited, of course, by the weakest link in your chain. The principles of digiscoping will be the same no matter what. If you've already spent money on any phone today, is not inexpensive. If you bought a spotting scope, the adapter is going to be the cheapest part of the whole thing. My theory when I'm shooting is get something in the bank and then improve on it. Get something on there, turn the phone on, bam. You can take a picture by pushing the volume buttons. That's how most people do their selfies. Hey, how I get a nice crisp edge. The sky is all uniform. The best way to do that, if you have a flat blue sky like this, is perfect, right? And that's telling you, okay, there's my sweet spot. I'll just use the fine focus wheel on this scope. Who's got their phones? Got your phones on you? The phone people, bring out your phones. We're gonna play. I'm looking at my phone here. I'm gonna touch the screen on this little 55mm, but I'm gonna hold it 1, 2, 3 seconds until I get this pop up here. AE is auto exposure. AF is auto focus. Camera is no longer going to search for focus. It's no longer going to search for exposure. I mean, generally speaking, you want it on the subject that you're shooting, so you can touch, and you want to shoot, like, press the eye if you can. What I can do is you override that now with the focus wheel on your scope. Up, brightening, down, darkening, right? AEAF lock will get you so many much better images. That alone, if you remember nothing else but that, you're going to find that you're going to love taking pictures with your phone.